Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the challenges experienced with test automation and how these challenges can be addressed. Now, this can apply to companies that are either moving from manual testing to automation or companies that already have test automation in place but have challenges with efficiency and adoption. So, moving from manual to automated testing can have multiple benefits, which would include increased test coverage, faster feedback loops, and reduced human error. However, there are several challenges associated with test automation. The first one that we're going to look at here is initial investment, and this would include the setting up of the automated testing framework and how that requires an initial investment of time, resources, and expertise. This includes selecting the right tools, designing test cases, and also training team members as well. The skill sets required is the second one. So team members may need to acquire new skills to write and maintain automated tests efficiently. This can involve learning different programming or scripting languages, understanding different testing frameworks, and also the ability to know and understand other technical tools that are involved with the automation. Integrating automated tests into an existing development workflow or CI/CD pipeline can also be a challenge here, especially if there are dependencies on external systems or services, and also depending on the infrastructure that's currently in place within the organization. The fourth challenge here is complexity of testing scenarios. And some testing scenarios may be more complex than others. For instance, we might have some end-to-end API testing workflows that we need to introduce in our testing, and they might contain multiple services and also multiple protocols. So this could be complex to build out and to automate, and it may require specialized tools or frameworks. The cultural resistance is the last challenge here, and this can be where maybe some team members may be resistant to the adoption of test automation due to concerns about loss of control or even skepticism about the effectiveness of test automation. Now, addressing these challenges requires a combination of both technical expertise, organization support, and a willingness to iterate and improve over time. And this is where SmartBear's Ready API platform can be of benefit, as it's an API testing tool that will allow users to easily create, maintain, and execute automated tests in an effective and scalable manner. Ready API addresses all of the testing challenges previously described, and our experts are happy to help you with your testing needs and challenges.